back and thank you so much for clicking my channel. Today I'm just thinking of making some special prawns thiel, which is very famous in south of Kerala, especially in Trivandrum. So for that I have to get some fresh prawns. So just head out to Kovalam, so where you get very fresh prawns. We know a shop that's very famous. So just we'll see how much we can buy and all. Okay. So here we have fresh prawns. So let's just rush out home to just prepare it. Okay. Okay. So here we have the prawns. It's not so big. It's medium size. I'm gonna clean this. So we can just remove this head part. Like this. You can just clean the shell. And the next main thing is you have to cut here, and there's a small vein. This you have to remove. This part you have to remove. See, it's not good for your stomach. The digestion problem will happen. So you have to remove that. So it's ready. Okay, so let's start to make our delicious prawns thiel. For that I have cleaned all prawns here. So this is almost 1 kilogram of prawns. Now the first thing I'm going to do is we can just roast coconut. So I have 2 cups of grated coconut here. So I'm going to roast this. Let the pan get heated. 2 cups of grated coconuts. So now I'm adding curry leaves into this. Curry leaves and 4 shallots. Don't let the coconut get burned, so we have to adjust the flame accordingly. If it burns, the taste won't be nice, like it becomes bitter taste, so we have to be careful that. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil into this. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder into this. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. This I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon of coriander powder. 2 tablespoon coriander powder. Just processed all together. Give a nice mix. Now I have taken another pot to make the curry. So let it heat well. It's our pot, it's getting heated. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut oil into this. Crushed ginger, 1 big piece of crushed ginger into the heated oil. Along with that, crushed garlic. It's almost 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, saute it well. So into this I'm adding 1 cup of shallots. 1 full cup of shallots I have taken and saute it very nicely. Now let's add 3 green chilies, chopped green chilies into this. It's getting brownish. Now it's a time to add our cleaned prawns into this. Give it a nice mix. You can add salt to taste. I didn't add salt actually, so I'm adding salt now. So it's according to your taste, you can add it. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt. So here I have the paste of roasted coconut. I didn't add any water into this. If you need, you can add maybe 2 tablespoons of water, but it's better if you grind it without water. It's more tasty. So it's ready now. Now we can add this coconut paste into our prawns masala. Along with that, we can add 1 cup of water. Mix it well. We can add 1 cup of water more because it's not enough water, and bring this to a boil. I'm also adding a pinch of fenugreek powder into this, not more, a pinch only. It started boiling now. I'm going to add, this is tamarind. I have soaked this for 15 minutes. So this much tamarind I have taken. Now we can just squeeze it and just add the water into the boiling curry. So I'm adding tamarind juice into this gravy. Just squeeze. Give it a nice mix. You can just taste it a little bit. I just have to check the salt. Everything is perfect. We have to add a bit more salt. It's not enough salt actually. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt more. Now we can put the lid on and cook it for 10 more minutes. Now we can add 2 medium-sized tomato into this. And put the lid on. So prawns tiyal is ready now. I'm adding curry leaves on top. And then just turn off the stove. So we have one more thing to do. We have to make a vowel. For that we have to roast mustard seeds and fenugreek. So add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Once it gets heated, we can add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splatter, and then we can add half teaspoon of fenugreek and some dried chili. add this mixture into the curry.